If you have just decided to transition into a more sustainable lifestyle, stay tuned. In this video, you'll learn effective strategies for optimizing energy usage and minimizing your environmental footprint. Welcome to Green Talks with Sori, a blog for Project 3LS, where you can discover attainable and environment-friendly advice and facts all in one easy-to-access location. This video is part of the Sustainable Living 101 series. This series serves as a fundamental guide for individuals who are new to sustainable living, providing them with an introduction to its principles. For those committed to living sustainably, this video serves as a helpful reminder of some fundamental steps we may occasionally overlook. A good way to start understanding a video is by figuring out the main idea. Let's take our usual approach and go from there. In the United States, most of the electricity is produced by thermal power plants that utilize fossil fuels like coal and natural gas, biofuels, and nuclear fuel to generate steam by heating water. Unfortunately, the production of electricity through the burning of fossil fuels leads to the emission of greenhouse gases, contributing to climate change. As our homes become more energy efficient, we require less electricity and rely less on power plants. There's no need to spend money on energy-efficient products to reduce our home's energy consumption. It can be as easy as turning off a light. The advice we're sharing today for sustainable living is only useful if it's truly sustainable in practice. Educating yourself and adapting your approach as you gain new knowledge is crucial. Achieving a sustainable lifestyle is not a fixed destination, but rather an ongoing journey of continuous learning and adaptation. Okay, then, let's begin. I'd now like to share with you a few easy ways to minimize the negative effects of energy consumption on the environment. Number 1. Turn it off. Simply, the best way to save energy. Turning off the lights when leaving a room can decrease greenhouse gas emissions by approximately 0.15 pounds. This action can also result in substantial savings per kilowatt-hour, leading to lower monthly electricity bills. By reducing energy consumption, we can all contribute to significant cost savings. This is an excellent example of sustainable living, and it is one of the most straightforward and effective ways to make a difference.
Number 2. Vampires. It's important to note that even when turned off, electronic devices with a light on still consume energy. These power vampires, including phone and computer chargers, televisions, and coffee makers, can account for up to 20% of your monthly electricity bill. Understanding the impact these phantom energy suckers can have on your energy consumption is crucial. What is the fastest way to kill an energy vampire? It's very simple. Simply identify the responsible individuals and disconnect them.
Number 3. A couple of degrees, 2 ways. In your water heater. It is crucial to understand that the perfect temperature for your hot water tank is 120 degrees Fahrenheit, or 48.8 degrees Celsius. This temperature is not only comfortable and hygienic, but it also helps you save on energy costs. However, it's important to note that most water heaters come preset at 140 degrees Fahrenheit. By lowering the temperature by about 20 degrees, to the optimal temperature of 120 Fahrenheit or 48 Celsius, you can reduce air pollution and save up to 10% on your electricity bill. You must adjust the temperature to the appropriate level to benefit your wallet and the environment. In your HVAC system. Heating your home is a major contributor to air pollution. It cannot be denied. However, there is a solution. Lowering your thermostat by just 1 degree can significantly impact the amount of pollution your home generates. A 1 degree decrease can reduce carbon pollution by up to 750 pounds. Furthermore, every adjustment you make will positively affect the environment. Lowering your thermostat also saves you money on your energy bill. In the United States, you could save as much as $100 per year for each degree you lower the temperature. To conclude, we offer you the checklist to follow when leaving a room or home. 1. If it is sunny and hot outside, close the curtains. Use heat-blocking curtains. 2. Turn off the TV, computer, virtual assistant, and fans. 3. Adjust the heating or air conditioning. 4. Turn off the water heater. 5. Disconnect vampire appliances. 6. Turn off all the lights and go outside. Every effort counts. Use social media to inspire sustainable living by sharing your own gradual changes with the hashtag #EveryEffortCounts. Your change can inspire others on a similar journey. Our ability to eat, drink, and live safely, securely, and healthily is reliant on the health of our planet. Failing to take the environment into account ultimately harms us as individuals. Managing our energy consumption through cost-effective and straightforward methods holds significant environmental value. It is imperative that we take action toward this goal immediately. We may not be able to live a fully sustainable life, but it is important that we do our part to reduce, stop, or repair the ecological damage caused by our modern lifestyles. Love for humanity and love for the earth. Until next time.